Disneyland is your land.
Come seek an adventure at the old pirates, eh?
Make the jump to light speed.
Hi there, Mouseketeers. Welcome to the Disneyland Beat, where our toes tap to a Disneyland drum.
And we always whistle while we work.
Come on into the parks and join us on a walkthrough of Tarzan's Treehouse, which opened at Disneyland in 1999, coinciding with the release of the animated film Tarzan.
Look up at the tree. You can see the shipwreck that Tarzan's parents used to build the treehouse.
The overlay replaced a beloved landmark, the Swiss Family Robinson Treehouse, which opened in 1962. During the refurbishment, the tree was redesigned to accommodate a new attraction, Indiana Jones' Temple of the Forbidden Eye.
As we take the stairs, it's important to stop and look at the beautiful views of New Orleans Square, Critter Country, and Frontierland. Some of the best views in the park are found here.
The suspension bridge was added with a new refurbishment, along with 600 new branches and leaves.
When the tree first opened in 1962, the leaves were red. They say somewhere there is one red sprig of leaves left in tribute.
Be sure to mind thy head as you pass underneath. This is an homage to the original version of the tree as well.
Throughout the tree, the story of Tarzan is told episodically. Here is a note from Tarzan and Jane welcoming you to explore the treehouse. Be sure to ring the bell for good luck.
As you climb all the way to the top, you start to appreciate just how high you are. The tree continues on to a towering 70 feet.
Disney even gave a name to its feat of Imagineering, the Disneydendron Semperflorus Grandis, or the grand ever-blooming Disney tree.
It was an early artificial tree and the largest Disney had done in 1962, but it was built from lessons learned constructing Tom and Huck's treehouse on Tom Sawyer Island.
Here we see the mighty leopard Sabor, who killed Tarzan's parents and would have killed him if Kala hadn't saved him. Tarzan is seen in his crib learning to yell.
This book tells of how Kala saved and raised Tarzan as if he was her own child.
In the first enclosed room, we see Tarzan as a baby being raised and loved by Kala. They are watching a magic lantern show in beautiful Victorian style.
Before stepping into the main room of the treehouse, you can see how the Imagineers designed the mountains of Frontierland and Galaxy's Edge to seamlessly work together.
Inside the main room, the captain's quarters of the ship and the trees, we see a grown Tarzan painting Jane in a romantic scene. Be sure to look around this room and appreciate the rich detail.
This is where you descend back to ground level and into the Victorian Archaeologist camp. Here, you'll find several interactive parts that are a lot of fun to play around with.
One of the first things you see in the camp is a Victrola playing the Swiska Polka, the famous theme from Swiss Family Robinson.
You can also find an homage to Mrs. Potts as an oversized teapot in the camp.
There are musical instruments that you can play, and the Do Bad She Do music from the film can be heard playing in the background. It's a great fit.
The camp has a beautiful stream and waterfall that separates it from the side of the Pirates of the Caribbean queue, the very edge of Adventureland.
Before you go, take a look up into the branches of the biggest treehouse that Walt Disney ever built.